Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends.
A soldier returned home from the war, visibly exhausted and dejected. As he sat down, his wife, trying to lift his spirits, decided to playfully show him her affection. She let her shirt fall and said with a teasing smile, "Look, the wind has taken away my shirt." Not stopping there, she removed her pants and continued, "And look, the wind has taken away my pants too." The soldier, still feeling the weight of his experiences, sighed deeply and responded with a touch of frustration, "You should remove my pants, and let's see what the shells have taken away from me." An American woman was cleaning the window on the upper floor of her house when she suddenly slipped and fell straight into a big trash can outside, getting stuck. At that moment, a foreign tourist happened to walk by, noticed her, and said to his friend, "Man, these Americans are so extravagant. Look at that! They even throw perfectly good things into the trash."